It's not my God who changes. He has been the same throughout the ages. Though men may stray away, forget to pray, He's always there, forgiving sin with saving grace.
Willful sin is treading pathways to trouble that can only bring you misery. On this road most men are lost. They defy the patient Christ. In the end, they must pay the bitter cost.
Yesterday, today, tomorrow, one throne, one King of kings. God, the beginning